With the help of this video, let me share a simple idea which I think plays a huge role in helping you get a lot more work done and to be much more focused. We generally use a lot of hacks like clearing away distractions in order to maximize our focus and our capacity to get work done. But what we need to be doing on top of that is, for a lack of a better scientific word, ritualizing our focus. So how do you ritualize your focus in order to internalize it? Well, let me explain. So in order to ritualize your focus, you need to be distinguishing certain aspects in your work or in the work you focus from your daily activities. For example, you should have a separate space or a separate desk to work. A desk where you just work and do nothing else. Similarly, you could have a playlist of your own with instrumental music which you play only when you do serious work. How this helps you is that it helps rewire your brain, and your brain associates focus and productivity with that particular space or that particular playlist. When your brain associates something like a place with focus and getting work done, it will create new neural pathways in itself. And this simple trick is so special because its effects are beyond just a temporary focus period. They last you a lifetime because they form a habit of focus. Simply put, what you need to do is you need to associate your task or focus with some place or something like that. Mind you, that could be as silly as using the same pen while studying or wearing the same t-shirt while studying. Now I wouldn't do that, but you can go ahead and try it if you want to. The thing is, you could associate your focus of work with anything. But in saying that, I think one thing you need to note is that whenever you set a place for yourself, you should not be doing something else on that place. For example, if you set a space aside for studying, then you should be studying over there. You should never watch a movie, or you should never waste time on the internet over there. Or if you listen to your sacred productivity playlist, you should never listen to it while you're just scrolling through the internet, because in that case as well your brain forms neural pathways, but in this case it forms neural pathways for the worse. Your brain will get confused as to what work should it really associate it with. Should it associate it with meaningful and focused work or just frivolous activities? So that's something which you don't want to do. Apart from that, another tip which I think would really help you is to stack habits before or after your work. For example, you could do 10 push-ups before you study or after you study. That helps your brain associate studying with doing 10 push-ups. You get the point. So that's the simple trick which I wanted to share in this video today. This trick has been backed by psychologists around the world, and it's a great way because you are using your own neurology to your advantage. Psychologists say it works, and many people have used it to their advantage as well. So I hope this simple hack helps you build a habit of focus and getting work done. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing to this channel. And if you feel extra generous today, you could show that extra generosity to me by smashing that like button. With that being said, that's it for this week. I'll see you next week. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.